Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Eating too fast can cause hiccups by making you swallow extra air. This air irritates your diaphragm, the muscle that controls breathing, causing it to spasm and trigger hiccups. To avoid this, eat slowly and chew your food well. Small habits that can help keep hiccups away.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.